Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction set of 8051, second type arithmetic instruction set. Third part, total 24 instructions. Part 1 we already discussed 8 instruction. Part 2 8 instruction. Now today we will discuss the remaining 8 instructions, 17 to 24 instructions. First one, 17 instruction, DEC, decrement accumulator content single times. Example, first we have to initialize what is the data in accumulator. MOV A, 0BH. A register 0B. Now to decrement the A register content single times and the result to move given A register itself. Okay, A register data minus 01, that result to move A register itself. A register data 0B minus 01, that result to move 0B hexadecimal in corresponding decimal value 11, 11 minus 1 10, 10 decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 0A. Okay, this is the instruction of to decrement the accumulator content. 18th instruction, decrement DEC or N. This is also to decrement the 8-bit register content. Here or means working register R0 to R7, R0 to R7. Example, the each register it consists of 8 bits. Any working register, total 8 working register. Example, DEC R6 register content. Now to decrement the R6 register data single times and the result to move the given R6 register itself. Okay, first we have to initialize what is the data in R6 register. For that we can use MOV R6, hash 0F. In register R6 data 0F. Now to decrement the R6 register content single times. Now register R6 data minus 01 and the result to move register R6 itself. R6 register data 0F minus 01, 0F in hexadecimal and corresponding decimal value 15. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 in decimal, what will be the corresponding hexadecimal value means 0E. 0E data to move register R6. This is the operation of decrement the given register content single times and the result always to move the given register itself. Okay, and next instruction 19, DEC direct. DEC direct, decrement the given 8-bit memory address location data. Decrement the given 8-bit memory address location data. Okay, example, DEC 30 inch. DEC 30 inch. This is a 8-bit memory address location. In this address location data, we have to decrement single times and the result to move the given memory address location itself. Okay. Example, first we have to initialize what is the data in memory address 30 inch. Further, we can use MOV 30 inch, comma, hash 0D inch, hash 0D 0D data immediately to move the given 8-bit memory address location. Now to decrement the memory address location data, decrement the memory address location data single times and result to move the given memory address itself. Here the memory, this is a memory address location. In this address location data 0D. Okay. After DEC 30 means the memory address location data minus 01. Now the address location data 0D minus 01 and result to move the given memory address location itself. 0D means 13 in decimal, 13 minus 1, 12, 12 in corresponding hexadecimal value 0C. Now the 0C data to move the given 8-bit memory address location. Now the 0D will be replaced and to store the 0CHA 30 memory address location. Okay. And next one, 20th instruction, DEC at the rate of RI. DEC at the rate of RI. This is for decrement indirect memory address location data. Data is not directly given. This is for direct memory address location. In this address location, data will be available. But here, data is not directly available in memory. Data will be available in memory. The memory will be available internal register. Internal register. We have to decrement and result to store the given internal memory address location itself. Okay. Example. Here RI means internal register. Internal register we have to use only for two registers, either R0 or R1. Example, DEC or DEC at the rate of R1. DEC at the rate of R1. Address memory location data. Now to decrement the data available in address available in register. Okay, data is not directly available. First we have to initialize what is the memory address. Okay, for that we can use MOV R1 comma hash 40 inch address available in internal register R1. Okay, now in 40 address inch data 0B available. We have to decrement the data single times. Data is not directly available register or memory. Okay, data will be available memory. The memory will be available in internal register. So we have to decrement. For that we have to use this type of instruction, decrement at the rate of RI. Here at the rate of RI means address data. Okay, RI. So R1 address 40 and 40 address location data 0B minus 01 and result to move at the rate of R1 register itself. Address of 40 0B minus 01 and result to move here itself. 0B in hexadecimal, the corresponding decimal value 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 in corresponding hexa value 0A. Now the rate of address location, the 0B will be removed and will store the 0A. This is the operation of decrement the 8-bit data. The data will be available in 4 ways. Number 1 accumulator, number 2 register, number 3 given 8-bit memory address location, and data will be available indirect memory address location. Data is not directly given, data will be available memory will be available the given internal memory address location. Okay, all the 4 instructions related to decrement the 8-bit data. Data will be available accumulator, register, direct or indirect memory address location. Okay. Next, 21 instruction INC DPTR. INC DPTR means increment the data pointer. Increment the data pointer. Here the data pointer will be 16-bit. 16-bit register. Okay, now to increment the 16-bit register content single times. Okay, first we have to initialize what is the data pointer address. MOV DPTR hash 8500H. Move DPTR hash 8500. The given 16-bit data or address available in data pointer. Here the data pointer is 16-bit. This is for divided into 2 8-bit DPH and DPN. This is for 8-bit and this is also 8-bit. These two represent for data pointer. Now LSB data or address available DPN and MSB data or address available 85H. Now to increment the data pointer single times. Increment the data pointer single times. DPTR plus 01. That result to move data pointer itself. The result to move data pointer itself. Now the data pointer address is 8500 plus 01. That result to move DPTR. Here the 01 always to add LSB 8-bit. 850001 we have to add. Now address is 8501. Here the 01 available DPL and this is for available DPH. These two represent for data pointer. Now the data pointer at present address is or data will be 8501. This is the operation of to increment the data pointer register. Data pointer register data. Okay. Next one, 22nd instruction. MUL means multiplication of 8-bit data. In microprocessor, there is no separate instruction for to multiply the two data. Then how to multiply? We have to use the repeated addition concept. But in microcontroller, there will be a instruction available for to multiply to 8-bit data. Instruction for MUL. MUL means multiplication of the given two register content. In multiplication, data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be only B register, not some other register like working register. Okay, the second data always to available only in B register. The B register we can use only two purpose. One is multiplication purpose and second one is a division purpose. Okay. Example MOV A comma hash 0 to h. MOV A comma hash 0 to h. MOV B comma hash 05 h. 05 h. 05 h. Okay, multiplication means data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be B register, not some other register. Now to multiply these two, data 02 into 05. This is for A register and this is for B register. Further, we have to use this type of instruction M, U, N. A, B means multiply A register data into B register, and the result A register 02 and B register 03, multiply these two. Now this is for 05, multiply these two, 10 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 0A. The 0A, now to multiply to 8-bit data, if result is within 8-bit, the product in available accumulator, there is no carry. 02 into 05 means 10, the corresponding hexadecimal value 08. This is for within 8-bit. Okay, if result is more than 8-bit, the carry will be occur in B register. Now at present B register, no carry means the B will be 00. Okay, 8-bit product result available in A register. Okay, at that time no carry means in B register 00 will be available. After multiplication, product 8-bit product result will be available in A register. If result is more than 8-bit, the carry will be available in B register. Now the B register at present 0. This is the operation of multiplication of two 8-bit data. Okay, data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be only B register, not some other register, and the result always product 8-bit LSB available only in accumulator, and product MSB if more than 8-bit means that product MSB 8-bit data will be available in B register. At present the result is within 8-bit, so no carry. Now the no carry means 00. The 00 available in B register. This is the operation of multiplication to 8-bit data. Okay. Third instruction, DIV AB. DIV AB means division of two 8-bit data. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be always in B register. Okay. Okay. Division of two 8-bit data. Data 1 in A register, the second data will be always B register, not some other register. In B register, we can use only two purpose. One is the multiplication and second one is the division purpose. Okay. Example, MOV A comma hash 0AH, and then MOV B comma hash 03H. A register data 0A and B register data 03. Now to divide these two data, data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be B register. This is for divide, and this is for divisor. Okay, dividend always large data. divisor compared to A register data. This is for smallest data. Then only we can divide the two data. Suppose divided smallest data and divisor largest means we cannot divide the two data. The result will be fraction. In fraction result in microprocessor and microcontroller not available. So we have to fix A register data, that is dividend always largest data, and B register data for divisor always smallest data. Then only we can divide these two data. Okay. Now to use D, I, B, A, B means now divide A register data with B register. A register data 08 divide 03. 0A means in decimal 10. 10 divided by 3. Okay. Here quotient 03. Quotient 03 and remainder 01. Remainder 01. Okay. 10 divided by 3 means 3 times it will divide. That is quotient and 1 remainder. Okay, this quotient will be available A register after division. After division, the quotient result will be available A register and the remainder result available in B register. The remainder result 01 will be available in B register. This is the operation of division to AB data. Now the result in A register number of times division, that is quotient 03, and B register remainder 01 will be stored. For that we can use this type of instruction DIV AB, division of 2AB data. Data 1 in always accumulated, the second data will be B register, and after division quotient result always in accumulator and the remainder result will be available B register, not some other register. Okay. And last instruction 24 DAA. DAA means decimal adjustment the accumulator content. Decimal adjustment the accumulator content. In microprocessor or microcontroller, okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the result available in hexadecimal format. If you want to result to change into decimal format after ALU operation, okay, after ALU operation we can use DAA instruction. DAA means decimal adjustment the accumulator, the hexadecimal result to convert into decimal result. The result now to convert the hexadecimal value, it should be in accumulator content, not some other content. It will adjust the only accumulator content. Okay. Example MOV A comma hash 09H and MOV R1 comma hash 08H. In accumulator 08, 09 and register R1 0B, sorry 08. Now to add these two data. For that we can use A, B, D, A comma R1 instruction. Add accumulated data with the register R1 and the result available only in accumulator. We can adjust only the accumulator content, hexadecimal value to convert into decimal, not some other register content. Okay. After adjustment, the result always available only in the accumulator content. Okay. ADDA means now to add accumulated data with the register R1 and the result to move A register itself. Now A register data 09 plus R1 register data 08. Now to add these two data, result 17. 17 in decimal and the hexadecimal value 17 means 1 1. Now after ADDA, R1 in accumulator result available 11 in A register. This is for hexadecimal value. If you want result in decimal format, after ADD A, Rn, we have to give DAA instruction. DAA means it will adjust the decimal accumulator content. It will adjust the decimal accumulator content. Now the given data, it will add 06. 11 default it will add 06 data 1 7. Now this is a decimal result. Hexadecimal value 11 and corresponding decimal value 70 H. So 70 B. Okay, this result available only in the accumulator itself. DA means decimal adjustment the accumulator content. Okay, hexadecimal value available only accumulator, that result only it will adjust to convert the hexadecimal to decimal format. Okay, any doubt? No. Thank you.